Welcome to Learning Lane, where curiosity meets the world. Today we are exploring the ancient Silk Road, a network of trade routes that connected Lebanon, China to Istanbul, Turkey. This 4,000-mile journey was quite remarkable, taking months to complete, and it wasn't just about trading valuable goods, but also exchanging innovative ideas and diverse cultures, which significantly shaped the course of human history. The Silk Road's impact is profound, as it played a major role in the development of civilizations in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East, facilitating the exchange of goods, technologies, and philosophies that helped shape these regions. The history of the Silk Road began during China's Han Dynasty, around 206 BCE, a time of great expansion and growth, when the Chinese sought to strengthen their empire and trade with neighboring countries, laying the groundwork for a vast network of roads. To achieve their goal of expansion, the Chinese built an extensive network of roads and routes, which would eventually stretch over 4,000 miles to the Mediterranean, connecting east and west, and paving the way for the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. Imagine merchants traveling along the Silk Road, carrying exotic goods like luxurious silk from China, precious spices from India, and rare precious stones from the Middle East, a true marvel of human ingenuity and perseverance that connected disparate cultures and economies. Travelers on the Silk Road would often stop at vibrant cities like Samarkand, Bukhara, and Persepolis, where they trade exotic goods and share stories of their journeys, fostering a rich cultural exchange that spanned thousands of miles. The Silk Road played a significant role in the spread of major religions, including Buddhism, Christianity, and Islam, as merchants and travelers introduced these faiths to new regions, shaping the spiritual landscape of entire civilizations from the 2nd century onwards. Lebanon, a city in eastern China, was a legendary starting point for many Silk Road journeys, with its strategic location and well-developed infrastructure making it an ideal hub for traders and travelers alike. Around 206 BCE. As a major center of trade and culture, Lebanon boasted a diverse population of Chinese, Indians, and Central Asians who lived and worked together, creating a unique cultural melting pot that was unparalleled in the ancient world, with over 100,000 residents. Lebanon was also home to the breathtaking Terracotta Army, a massive collection of over 8,000 life-sized clay soldiers built to protect the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, in the afterlife, a testament to the city's rich history and architectural ingenuity, dating back to 210 BCE. As we travel west along the Silk Road, we arrive in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, a city that thrived on its strategic location, with merchants and scholars alike drawn to its vibrant marketplace, dating back to the 8th century. Samarkand was a hub of intellectual and cultural pursuits, boasting a renowned university that attracted scholars from afar, and a breathtaking Registan Mosque, whose intricate tilework still inspires wonder today, a testament to the city's rich heritage. The city's importance as a trading post is evident in the variety of goods that changed hands here, from luxurious Chinese silk to precious stones like rubies and emeralds, with over 50,000 merchants passing through annually, exchanging exotic spices like saffron and cinnamon. Continuing west, we reached the fabled city of Istanbul, the Silk Road's endpoint, where east met west in a swirl of cultures, with the Bosphorus Strait connecting the Black Sea to the Mediterranean, a vital waterway that facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and innovations since 660 BC. Istanbul's status as a crossroads of trade and culture is reflected in its diverse population, with Turks, Greeks, and Armenians living and working together, creating a unique blend of traditions, as seen in the city's stunning architecture, from the Hagia Sophia to the Topkapi Palace, a true melting pot of human experience. The city was a thriving hub of knowledge, boasting a prestigious university and breathtaking mosque, drawing scholars from afar like a magnet since the 13th century. The Silk Road was more than just a trade route, it was a dynamic conduit for cultural exchange, where merchants and travelers shared stories, ideas, and innovations, like the introduction of paper money in China in 1024. As merchants and travelers traversed the Silk Road, they brought novel concepts and customs to the cities they visited, and in return, they carried back exotic practices and ideas to their homelands, like the adoption of Buddhism in India around 250 BCE. This cross-pollination of ideas and cultures played a profound role in shaping our modern world, and its legacy can still be seen today in the vibrant, diverse cultures and traditions of cities like Samarkand, Bukhara, and Elevenant. Let's embark on a journey to explore some of the key cities along the Silk Road, like Baghdad, which was once home to the renowned House of Wisdom, a beacon of learning that attracted scholars from all over the world. We have Elevenant, Samarkand, Bukhara, Persepolis, and Istanbul, each a vibrant hub on the ancient Silk Road where merchants and travelers converged, exchanging goods and ideas, like precious spices and fine silks. Each of these cities has its own unique history and culture, shaped by the diverse influences of traders and travelers, with Samarkand, for example, boasting stunning architecture that reflects its strategic position at the crossroads of East and West. The Silk Road was also a conduit for groundbreaking technologies, like the compass, which revolutionized navigation, gunpowder, a game-changer in warfare, and paper, enabling the widespread dissemination of knowledge, all introduced to new regions through the bustling trade routes around the 13th century. So what can we learn from the Silk Road, a network that spanned over 4,000 miles, connecting Europe and Asia, facilitating not just the exchange of goods, but also the sharing of ideas, customs, and values, a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. We can learn about the importance of cultural exchange, which, as history shows, can have a profound impact on the development of civilizations, fostering cooperation, driving innovation, and shaping the course of human progress, as seen in the flourishing of arts, sciences, and philosophies along the Silk Road. The history of trade reveals how it has significantly shaped our modern world, with the ancient Silk Road, for example, connecting Europe and Asia over 2,000 years ago, exchanging goods like spices and textiles, and influencing global economies. As we wrap up today, consider how trade has evolved since the first ships sailed across the Mediterranean around 3000 BC, impacting cultures, and now, with globalization, it's easier to see how interconnected our world has become, with trade playing a vital role. If this helped you see the world a little differently, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Learning Lane for more, and tap the bell so you never miss a lesson.